This is Angelo from POC Hack, and today is a continuation video from my last post. So if you haven't watched it yet, please do, otherwise you're gonna be lost. To pick up where we left, this is the hacked pod, okay, the one that we managed to get in, and now we're gonna try to SSH to the worker node from this hacked pod. So I have pasted on my blog this deployment.file. So you just have to go ahead and apply this deployment. It will create a volume and a pod. So the volume is mounting this folder, okay, from the worker node. And the way we managed to do that is just by purely misconfiguration on the sysadmin side. So if it doesn't block host path, or like there's other policies that you can do to prevent a pod to mount those kind of volumes. If it's not there, if it's like the defaults, you're good to go. So let's see if this is all right. Then you need to go inside this pod. Oops. And because we're gonna search SSH. So because we're going to SSH from this host, usually those packages are not installed. So I'm just gonna show which ones are we going to go ahead and install. On my blog, it's there. So let's go ahead and install it. Yum install -I. You need this guy here, and also this one. All right, now you need to create your SSH key. In my blog, there is another way to do that without prompting the password. And now let's check if our mount worked. And yes, this is the root folder from the worker node. So now we need to add our SSH key into the authorized keys. And now you need to go back to the another pod, or even on or just exit this node, or anyway. So if you had another shell open to your hacked one, because you have installed kubectl on this guy here, we need to get the IP address of where our pod is running, which worker node. So this is one. This is it. This is the one. Okay. So now we just try to SSH into it. SSH -I root SSH this array root at yes, and there you go. We are root on the worker node, and that's it, guys. On my next video, I will explain how to do the same thing, but that is when your cluster is properly configured. It's just by there is like an issue on Kubernetes when you are mounting a subpath folder. So I'm going to explain how to exploit that on my next video. Keep posted. Thanks for watching.